Did you know that yawning is contagious not just for humans, but for dogs too? When you yawn, your dog might yawn right after you. Scientists believe this happens because yawning is linked to empathy and social connection. It's the brain reacting to someone it feels close to. That means when your dog yawns after you, it's not copying you randomly, it's responding emotionally. And listen, if you truly love someone more than anyone else, swear on that person, like this video, and subscribe so you never miss the next one.